Give me the 100 naira.
Okay.
You know my house. Come and collect the 50 naira.
Yes.
We'll go close to them. And the guy begs you. Now he come out, they go look for change. As he come back, now he start English to me. I say, oh, so he's having English on this one.
So you can spark English.
Yeah. Fine, but the heat is making it somehow, but it's okay.
Give an picture one take.
Mama, take you one, make you see hybrid.
No, that's not. That is actually.
This is the button,
Can we look for a photograph and then
video.
go and snap and
No, it has to be like this.
It has to be like this. Okay. No, I don't like this your pose.
photographer?
Yes.
What are
This
you
is a
grabbing?
good one.
Photographer, just put the photo, grab it.
What did happen?
Nikki.
It's a snapshot. What up, guys? Good morning. Okay, here I'm struggling to bring out this hair from the bag. Alright, good morning, guys. So I'm actually like in the house. I'm just waiting for the rain to come down a little bit. It's so freaking cold. That's why I'm actually wearing this, you know, to stay warm. Oh my goodness. What the heck happened? Okay. Anyway, it's rained this morning and the whole place is so cold, and I just want to go and make my hair. And this is actually the attachment or something that I'm going to be using. It's like a kinky braid kind of stuff. I think this is actually going to be the What up, guys? Alright, so I finished making up my hair. Did I say making up my hair? I'm done, you know, making my hair. Now, hold on. The plan changed when I got to the salon because I saw a particular hairstyle that looks like this, and it was very beautiful. Alright, so I decided to make this particular hair. It's just like it's just with a human hair and yeah, razor cut. That's what they call it, razor cut. I needed something that would be very simple and cute at the same time. I needed something that would not just give me stress. I won't have to pack it. I won't have to do anything. It's just here on my head and on my hair. Alright, so that's why I actually decided to have this hair done, because it's pretty beautiful, and it's been so long I have this kind of hair do on my hold on, I'm trying to make a turn. It's been pretty long I have this kind of hair done on my hair, and it kind of makes me, you know, feel at ease. I can just have some fresh hair running through my hair because I can pull it off. It is done like a cap already, so I can as well pull it off when I'm in the house doing nothing or just chilling or editing my videos. I can just pull it off and, you know, feel the fresh hair and all of those stuff. That is why it is so good. I don't know if it's beautiful. Is it? Well, I know it's beautiful because I've seen the mirror, like I've seen myself through the mirror, and it's beautiful. Well, you guys are gonna be telling me your own opinion and let me know if it's beautiful. Alright, so what I did was, hold on. What I did was that I actually asked them to just keep the carton or the label something for me, so I can show you guys the hair that I use. Is called Lister Siri, and I don't know what is it called, sir. It's called Style. Afrobeat is the style. Yeah, and the color is 99J, and this is how it looks though, so in case you're interested. And that will be it for it. That is actually the reason why I collected this stuff, so I can show you guys how it is in case you're interested to buy or to make this kind of hair. Like, it's pretty very comfortable. I usually, anytime I want to make something like this, I kind of, you know, make inquiry to make sure that I choose a particular weave-on that would not itch me, you know, because I just love comfort. I love comfort so much. So that is why I'm actually showing you guys the you know, pattern, so you guys can see it. Anyway, that'll be it for now, and I'm going to fit it. So that'll be it, guys. I'll chat with you later. What up, people? Good afternoon. All right, so I'm actually somewhere in town. All right, so the thing is that why I actually like saying somewhere in town is because not gonna be staying here for so long. I came to the bank to collect my card. My, you know, card that I use online expired, so I needed to get a new card so I can replace it with the one that I'm using for AdWords. Okay, you know AdWords now are those, you know, platform where you submit your videos for promotion. So that is why I'm here. All right, so I'm actually just, you know, staying close to a particular car wash. I'm considering, you know, washing the interior of my car, but I'm also considering the time is gonna the time they're gonna spend to wash the car, because I don't want to meet traffic while going back. All right, and when I was coming, I got some fruits around that place. They sell some fruit there, so I just had to buy some fruit so I can, you know, do breakfast with that, because these days I've been doing fruitful breakfast and it's been so good. All right, people, so I'm actually just, I think, I don't know if I'll be washing the car, but this place is so busy. Like, there's a lot of fresh hair here. They're actually busy washing some other car. I'll just take it down to my area where they can wash the interior of the car. But I think people do it here more better and wash everywhere and all of that. You know, this. Alright, guys. So I'm loving this my short hair. And also I'm loving it. Okay, hold on. Let me check the lens. What up, people? Good afternoon. Alright, so I'm kind of dressed and I want to go out. Going out to the bank again today. But today is going to be like a different bank. Can you see?